Till the end of this video, because I'm going to reveal how Min converts into Mint. So if you have been involved in the Fair Initial Stake offering of Minswap, the DEX on Cardano, then if you want to know the conversion rate, stick around. So I have been involved in this Fair Initial Stake offering for about 4 months. I got involved through my Yuri wallet, just signed up, downloaded the app, signed up for my Yuri wallet. I transferred from Coinbase around 3,088 into my Yuri wallet, so I would gain passive income on my ADA. But I didn't just do that. I delegated to a pool, which was the Swell pool, that the FISO brought out. They brought out a few pools, and I was involved in the Swell pool. So this pool, in its time, it gives you rewards every 5 days. So we called it an epoch, or an epic. Some people call it. So it's just basically every 5 days you will get a little bit of your money back in ADA. But not only that, they also give you Min and Mint tokens. Min and Mint tokens convert 1-to-1 ratio. So I have got 869.59 Min, and I've also got 3,478.38 Mint. So that it's a one-to-one conversion. So I've actually got about 4,400, 4,300 shares. So looking at, let's get myself back there. So watch to the end of this video, and I will be showing you a strategy that can make you over £100,000. So stick around. SUSHISWAP. It IPO'd at $1.20 and went up to $22.90. So this is another DEX, and it went up 19% from its original price where it started. And then we have Uniswap, another DEX. It started at $6.90 and went up to $43.16. This is a 6.25x on Uniswap. On PancakeSwap, it started at $1.10 and it went to $42.59. That's a 40x. And the funny thing is, PancakeSwap actually had a dip of 70%. Uniswap had a dip of 70%. SushiSwap had a dip of 70% after it reached these highs. SushiSwap is also a DEX on Cardano, just like Minswap. So we can say that, 19-20x for a DEX on Cardano would probably be median. So I'm going to scale out from 10x to 20x and then get in on the 70% dip like Pancake, Uniswap, and SushiSwap all had. And then after it goes down 75%, it goes up another 100%. So you can make now 100% of your money back. So not only is Min and Mint tokens 1-to-1 in ratio, you can also buy the bounce, and the bounce will net you another 100% on top of that. So how cool is that? So not only would I turn 4,347 Mint tokens, 20x is 86,000, but scaling out from 10 to 20, it's probably more like £60,000, and then £60,000 if I get out the top when it goes up 10 to 20. So I'll be getting out around 15, and then buy back in 70% lower, and then it goes up another 100%. I will be up £173,913.80. So with that said, thank you for watching to the end of the video, and congratulations, because you now know how to make £50,000. You now know how to trade that £50,000 and make £100,000. You know how to keep on going. Somewhere down the line, this could happen over and over and over again, and somewhere down the line, you could have £500,000. You can take it out, you can put it into other crypto assets, and in the long run, because crypto is over the long run, when the bull cycle parabolic move happens, then you can make a lot of money that way too. So stay educated, stay tuned, watch my other videos, guys, because they are incredibly intellectual videos, and I really think you'll all enjoy them. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and I will be coming to you with a fresh new video a few times a week. So take care, guys, and peace out for now.